So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And in this video I can show you if you have a Samsung smartphone and you forgetted your Gmail ID account detail and you cannot configure your smartphone without entering Gmail ID account credential, how can you unlock your smartphone without using computer and without using any kind of software tool? How can you unlock your smartphone without entering Gmail ID? So let's start the video first. So my friend, you can see here, this is the smartphone, and whenever your smartphone is locked by Google FRP, so you have to connect your smartphone only with the charging. Okay, so you have to only connect with the charger, and when you connected, your charging animation has been started as you see here. After that my friend, you have to go to the start button here. Okay, click agree, click setup manually, and here when your smartphone is asking to connect your smartphone with the internet, you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Okay, after that you have to click the add network option here, and here you got this small setting icon, so you have to click to open this. When this setting page comes, you have to see here there are lots of options here. So first of all you have to click the suggest text corrections, and you can see here there are no any manage apps option. Okay, so go back and go down, click open reset to default settings, and here you have to reset all options one by one like that. Done. Go back. After that go back and go to the upper section and find languages and types option here, and here you have to click manage input languages. After that you have to go down, click UK and US turn on, and all other languages you have to turn off. Done. Go back, and here you have to go to the right side three dot, click here to open, click check for updates and wait for installation. Done. Click go to back, click manage input languages, and you can see here the update comes, so you have to click the update. After updates install, you have to go back, and again you have to open suggest text corrections option. So click here, and here at this moment you can see here the manage apps option comes here, so you have to click to open this. When this page comes, you can see here there are lots of applications, so you have to turn off some few application. Okay, so first of all you have to go down and turn off the Galaxy Store. Go up, go down, turn on the gaming hub. First of all you have to turn on all of the applications, and again go down and you have to turn off Galaxy Store first. Go up, My Galaxy, Samsung Max VPN, and you have to again turn on the My Galaxy option. Go back, and here go to layout option, and here go to down and turn on the www.com. Go up and turn on also alternative characters. Go back to the home page, and here you have to change your region to English United Kingdom. Okay, find this UK and click OK. Now your smartphone is ready to unlock your Samsung smartphone, and the method is ready to unlock. So open this emergency call option here, and here you have to dial a number, very secret service center offline code here, and the code is *#0*##. And after that this page will comes into your mobile screen, so you have to find a very important option called sensor. So this is the sensor, and now you have to wait for 5 seconds. Because of that all sensors are synchronizing here, so you have to wait for 5 seconds. When 5 seconds completed, after 5 seconds you can go back to the home, And now you have to start your configuration. Click agree, and at this moment you have to click setup manually and wait for a few seconds. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is connected to the internet. Okay, your smartphone connect with the internet. This is very important. And after that you have to click the next, and done. You can see here the small skip message comes in this page, and now you can easily skip this whole process by clicking this skip option. So click here to skip again, and your smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center offline method. If you have also facing this type of issue into your Samsung smartphone, so you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel, and please comment your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung model at your home at free of cost. And this method is completely free, and anybody can use this method. This is service center certified offline method, so you can now use this method into your locked Samsung smartphone. And by using this method you can unlock any kind of Samsung model at your home. If you have any queries, so comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone at your home. But remember, subscribe our YouTube channel before commenting your specific Samsung model name. This is very necessary to asking to help. So you have to only comment your Samsung specific model name. Our team will reach you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone. So you have to only comment us. Okay, and now I am going to configure this smartphone. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your smartphone. You have to follow all these steps one by one into your locked Samsung model. And at the end of the video you can see your smartphone will unlock like this Samsung smartphone. And now this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked. So you have to only follow all these methods one by one into your locked Samsung smartphone. And now you can see here, you can now sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential in this Samsung smartphone, and you have to configure within 10 minutes. Okay, this is very important, so don't forget. This is very important. And also you don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and share this also to everyone. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.